Again, Hulyan.
It's time for classic Hulyan and Maya.
Yay!
That took a long time to not be like this. You will or boo boo. Hulyan and Maya.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put Samuel on the train.
Okay.
Steamer and Samuel. Okay, put the train on the tracks, mommy.
Okay.
And don't forget the, what's that? A caboose?
Yeah.
Okay, mommy, use that controller.
Okay.
Forward. Nice. Choo-choo train. And don't forget the cargo, mommy.
Yeah.
Oh no, Samuel! Stop the train! Stop the train! There you go.
Go.
Go! Stop! Oh, you forgot the cargo! Silly girl, mommy! Okay, reverse, reverse. Okay, get the cargo.
Wait.
Yay! What are you doing, mommy? Okay, go, mommy. There you go. Go! Whee! Bye, Samuel. Stop at the train station and drop the cargo. All right, good job, mommy. Awesome. Hello, Maya girl. Happy 2016. You look so cute.
Okay. Where's the mojo?
Maya girl. Okay, sit down, Maya. Sit down on the floor. Okay, here's the controller.
That's how you do it. Like this.
Yeah, that easy.
One.
Choo-choo. Okay, load the cargo. Load the cargo, Maya. Okay, mommy will do it. Okay, she knows how. There you go, that easy.
Let's go forward.
Woohoo!
It's like this mini competition.
Steamer and Samuel. They are having fun with Mommy Rhea and Maya. Nice. Oh, Samuel, not again! Ah! Where's the ambulance? Where's the ambulance? Call 911! Call 911! Going for a reverse. Samuel is still there. He needs help. Where's the ambulance? Oh, there's the ambulance. Okay, mommy. Yeah, the trucks. The trucks and the parts. I see. Nothing left? Oh, there's a lot more. Nothing left? The instructions. Okay, mommy, you know what to do.
Yeah.
Assembling time.
Right.
Assemble the playset, please. Put him on the roof. Okay, bring him to the hospital. Bring Samuel to the hospital. He needs urgent care. He needs urgent help.
Okay, which are you? This one.
Okay, that's the hospital. No, the blue one, Maya.
Okay.
That's the fire station. Oh, are you talking about the cargo? Where to drop the cargo? To the yellow one. There you go. Okay, bring him to the hospital, mommy. Forward. Stop. Reverse. Forward. Uh-oh. Samuel? Okay, I'm going to fix you, Samuel. Okay. Oops, the cargo! Stop. Wow! It slid down. Reverse. Where's the cargo caboose? Oh, there's the cargo caboose. The cargo car caboose.
Okay, we're putting it up to.
Okay, pick up the cargo, Maya.
There goes the cargo.
Okay, bring the cargo to Cranky. Forward, Maya. A little bit more. Okay, stop. There you go. Okay, thank you, Mommy Rhea. Woohoo!
How can you do so slow and faster?
It is slow, Maya.
Oh, I cannot do it anymore.
You want it faster? Oh, too bad. That's the fastest it can go.
And where's the woman?
There is Samuel. Samuel is healed.
That's his name, Samuel.
Okay. Hop on, Samuel. Ride on the train, Samuel. Stop. Yeah. Not again, Samuel. Don't fall off the train.
Hulyan and Maya. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey guys! Be sure to join our Facebook group page.